After a 9.5-hour journey from Amsterdam, we made it to Kaiserslautern. And we're gonna go look for a Starbucks because that seems to be the only thing that's open right now. Germany is still waking up at this hour. And we need some coffee. Oh yeah. Okay, if we find a place that sells food, we're gonna get some food. We're hungry.
We're super hungry.
But she's not feeling a pastry, which is out of the normal for her.
Like not just out of the normal. You know, like never has happened, I don't think.
Yeah, you always want a pastry.
Yeah.
We just walked past one. I don't even know if it was open. We walked past a bakery shop. They look kind of open. They had the stuff in there.
Yeah, open.
That place is definitely open with all the fruit.
The grocery store?
Yeah, the grocery store. But yeah, we want like an actual breakfast. Ooh, what's this? Barbershop? It's a barbershop and they're open. Barbershop is open, but not much else. Look how quiet it is here. All you can hear is my squeaky shoes. Alright, so we just tried to walk in there, but not even Starbucks is open right now. So I'm gonna walk down here and see if there's anything. She's gonna sit here because our backpacks are hurting our back after that walk. And then if I find some food down here, then I'll come back and get her and we'll go eat it. Well, I found a churro place, but they're closed. Okay, so I walked all the way behind me and there's a Turkish place that's apparently open that sells some food, but I'm right in front of the mall, the K in Lautern. And so I'm gonna walk in there and see if there's anything that opens up relatively soon. Let's see what we're working with. We found a place right here. Seemingly the only thing open right now. Any suggestions? Any recommendations?
Something you like from the menu?
What's your
What do you think he should get?
Your favorite?
The menu, the fries and the drink and the burger. You can.
Which one do you like?
Oh.
Everything.
Yes.
I'll do the red bratwurst, the red bratwurst, and one schnitzel.
Yes.
For me and for you.
And then I'm okay right now.
With fries? Fries or no?
No fries.
No fries.
There it is. That's what I'm getting. And in German, how to say thank you? Dankeschön?
Dankeschön, yeah.
Dankeschön, okay. Oh, it looks great. Dankeschön.
Danke. Guten Appetit.
I'm so excited right now. You don't want anything?
It's just me?
I know. You don't want anything from the bakery that's right next door?
Maybe.
Okay. I'm gonna look for a Red Bull. I went to some store to get a Red Bull, but they only have healthy drinks. And so I bought these. I don't know what they are, but they look interesting. This one's mine. This one's for Cassandra. And then here's my schnitzel and my bratwurst. And I'm gonna take a first bite right now. I mean, I can already tell it's gonna be delicious. It looks really good. Oh yeah. The only thing this is missing is sauerkraut. Well, I'm gonna finish eating this meal. I don't know what we're gonna do. We still have like 12 hours here in Kaiserslautern before my mom finishes working, and then she's gonna come pick us up and take us to pretty much like, I think it's the military base, like the Navy military base near Sembach. And I don't know how much I can film like on base. So I'll probably kind of be discreet about it. So we're just gonna be hanging out in Kaiserslautern for the next 12 hours. My mom's actually in Heidelberg right now, which is a really cool city that you should visit in Germany if you ever get a chance to come here. I honestly hope that we get a chance to visit and I can show Cassandra Heidelberg because it's a really cool city. We're obviously going to do something after this. I'm going to finish my meal and then we'll reconvene later on.